This is Linda Blair. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. We are here.
I don't think she went on.
No? Oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
So,
Linda, we're doing one combo and one extra autograph.
oh, here's my camera.
Signatures only.
Okay.
Okay.
How are you guys doing? Great.
Say hi to Linda Blair.
Hi. Good. All right, so.
No name. Yes, just sweet dreams like always. I actually met you in, I think it was 2012 at
Yeah,
WonderCon.
Where?
WonderCon, I think it was over there in Anaheim.
Anaheim?
Yeah.
Why do I know that name?
Because you probably were there.
Yeah, you were
But
there.
the show doesn't exist
It's
anymore, does it?
it's the San Diego Comic-Con people
Yeah,
host that show.
that was pretty cool. And I was actually surprised you were there. I was like, oh my God.
She doesn't even remember being there.
Yeah.
For?
Well,
no,
just
I
to
don't.
go, I like going to Comic Cons and stuff. So, and then when I seen you, I was like, I had to get your autograph.
No, I wonder, but what was the basis of, like, was it more comic?
Yeah, it was comic books. And you know what? I actually, here, I gotta show you.
What year did
I gotta
you
show
say?
you this.
Oh, that's a good tattoo. That's a really good tattoo.
Yeah,
What?
so that's pretty
That's
cool.
Awesome.
I was able to get Linda Blair's autograph on both of these, and that is insane in itself, man. I don't know if you guys seen it. Oh, I think I didn't even capture that, man. I shook the Dream Warrior's hands, dude. That's fucking crazy. I wish I could have got their autograph, but I'm so stoked. This is amazing. This is an amazing day for me. Let's take a walk around Frank & Sons. Oh, pretty cool. Let's go, guys. Come on. Oh shit, my camera. Oh, turn it off.
You were worried.
Yes, I was. Turn it off.
There's the burger. Mayo burger.
So this is, watch out, be careful, okay guys? Oh, they got the vintage second wave. Wow. Actually, not bad prices. You guys want to walk around or you want to go home?
I'm impartial.
You want to walk around?
Would you
Alright,
sell the
no
cake for
touching
25?
anything, guys. Nothing at all. I'm telling you right now. Come on.
It's the hamburger.
Oh, everything Disney. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that's insane. That is crazy. Oh yeah, you want to get some collectibles? Here it is. Look at that. That's insane. These are some vintage figures right here.
Gundams.
The Holy Grail.
Bro, Ozzy.
Look at this Holy
Master Chief.
Grail,
Master
dude.
Chief.
Dude, hold up. Oh, it's the deleted scene.
You better get some money and save it up. Wow, look at this. Ooh, this is insane, guys. That's one thing about Frankenstein's collectible. They have everything and anything you ever wanted. Come on, guys, keep walking. Look, we're gonna walk one more time around right here, and then we're going home because I'm kind of tired. Damn, look at all those predators.
Oh my god, that's a lot of predators.
That's a freaking army.
I would get that one.
Ripley.
That was from the movie.
How'd you get the whole army of
The
it?
Battlefield.
Insane.
Look, they have them with
Bunch of Build-A-Figure parts right here. If you guys need them, come get them. Some complete, some not.
Oh my god, what happened? What happened to these people?
These are just pieces, pieces, and pieces. Oh, look at that Jaws.
Oh, look at Thanos.
Wow. That?
Those are sharks eating
Oh,
sharks.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Jason.
Give you memories, kids.
Oh, Metallica, I think. No, just kidding.
It is.
No, just kidding.
Yeah. That's Jason. That's Kurt.
Bro, look
No,
at that
that's
fan.
Kurt. That's James, and that's Lawrence. All right, let's go. Keep going.
The hair looks
I like how these piles are.
All right, bring me one of the.
I got
I'll pick one of those.
I'm
All right.
selling him.
Oh my.
This is the one. No, that's not the one.
Neo. Spider-Man. And somehow he just
Ooh, look at all that.
So he put a phone in there and he made it happen. And he pretended to be like he made it off.
Yeah, so if you guys need to build your Build-A-Figure, or if you're missing some for your army, your collection, here is the place to come get your stuff. Frankenstein's. Come on, guys. Frankenstein's is the place to be for a collector. Oh, of course they got them. The Thing,
I always like Archangel too.
Aim Soldier. Insane, insane. Here goes some more statues. Is that Scarface?
More stuff. Oh my god.
Oh, that's Gears of War 3.
Wow.
Oh, that's right.
I was like, buddy, it's Marcus.
Oh yeah. How are we supposed to know if it's got a venom in it?
Oh, bam.
Well, you gotta look for the emotion.
You got a venom in it?
Yeah, she's got emotion.